If you work with reports, assignments, manuals, or any document with multiple images, learning how to add a list of figures in Microsoft Word can save you a lot of time and make your document look much more professional. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add figure captions properly in Word, so your images are organized and ready for a list of figures later on. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, open the document you want to work on. This can be a new document or an existing file that already contains images. The important thing is that your image is already placed in the document before you add the caption. Now, click on the image you want to label. Selecting the image is important because Word needs to know exactly which figure you are working on. Once the image is selected, look at the top of Word and go to the References tab. This is where Word keeps tools for captions, citations, and tables of figures. Inside the References tab, find the Insert Caption option and click it. A small caption window will open, and this is where you can add the figure label. In the label dropdown, choose Figure. This tells Microsoft Word that the caption is for an image rather than a table or equation. After selecting Figure, make sure everything looks correct, then click OK. Word will automatically place the figure number below the image. This is the first step in building a proper list of figures because Word uses these captions to generate the list later on. If you have more images in your document, repeat the same process for each one. Select the image, go to References, click Insert Caption, choose Figure, and press OK. By doing this consistently, Word will number each figure for you in order, which keeps your document clean, organized, and easy to navigate. This is especially useful for academic papers, business reports, training documents, and technical guides where readers need to quickly find visuals. Instead of manually typing figure numbers yourself, Word handles it for you automatically, which reduces mistakes and makes updates much easier if you add or remove images later. Once all your figures are captioned, you can then create a list of figures using Word's Table of Figures tools. Even though the main step is adding the caption, this is what makes the list of figures possible. So if your goal is to build a professional document structure, this is the exact process you need to follow. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.